Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are talking basil. I'm going to show you how to take a simple basil plant that you have started from seed or one that you have purchased from a nursery. And we're going to cut this down a little bit and take some of the cuttings off of it to make it grow bigger and bushier. That way it's going to fill out and give you more produce. So this container obviously has more than one seed that was started in it, and you can tell by looking at all of the shoots coming out of the soil. But let me show you how to effectively prune your basil. To start, let's take one of these taller plants to give you a better visual. You're going to notice that this main stem that comes up and it runs the whole way up through, it will stop and branch and make a Y. And you're also going to notice that there are two little new growths that are starting, one on this side and one on this side. So you're going to have opposite new growths on the main stem. If you just take a pair of scissors or, your fingernails, whatever you're using, and just pinch that off, what will happen is you will get new growth that will shoot out this way and this way, and that will keep your plant looking fuller. And then just continue that process the whole way through your plant. Now when this starts to flower, you can do the same thing and just cut the flowers off wherever you see a node that has new growth shooting out of the sides. And again, that will keep it from going to seed and keeping it growing and retain that fullness. All right, you guys, don't toss these cuttings out. A great way to use these, especially if you only have a few, make yourself a nice cup of hot tea, drop these in, and it will flavor your tea and it will taste delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. God bless. We'll see you next time. Bye.